Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivoactive 5 and I'm gonna show you how to set the alarm clock on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the lower button to open the menu. And after the menu opens, you should see option called Clocks. Tap on it to enter, and here select the alarms option. And now if you want to set up the alarm clock or set the alarm clock, tap on An Alarm, set the time on which the alarm should go off by swiping up and down on hours, then minutes, select the AM or PM, and then press the upper button to confirm. And right here we have our alarm. We can turn it on or off, and if you tap on it, you can edit the alarm, customize it basically. And here we can change the time again. We can tap on repeat option and select how often it should repeat. And we have daily, weekday, weekend, and custom. And if you select custom, you can select specific days for it to repeat on. You can also assign the label for the alarm, like that. And you can also remove it if you want to by tapping on delete. But first, let's go back. And here we have our alarm. You can also have multiple ones if you want to, like that. And like I said before, you can remove the alarms by tapping on one and tapping on delete, like that. And that's how you set up the alarm clock. Once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.